So what I'm going to show you next is how to do a Dutch braid. This is similar to a French plait, but you're putting the hair underneath instead of over. So again, starting with 3 sections at the top of the head, and then taking the outside piece underneath into the centre, and the same on the other side, outside piece into the centre. But now you take another section of hair, which you're going to add into the plait, and put that in underneath into the centre. So you keep repeating this on each side, taking a new section of hair and adding it into the centre. So keep the hair nice and tight so it doesn't go too loose, and you just repeat this step the whole way down, constantly taking a new piece of hair and adding it into the centre of the plait. And once you get to the bottom, you can secure it with a hair bubble, and that's how to do a Dutch braid.